Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to clear cache on Android phone. So if you want to clear the cache files on your Android phone, what you can do is just to go to specific phone app by app. So let's just delete the cache of any first app in here at first. So I'm heading over to this app, keeping tapped on it. And here this icon on the top right of info icon arrows and tapping on it. And here if I scroll down there is an option of storage, tapping on storage. Now as you can see the cache is 17.25 MB. If I want to clear the cache, I'll tap on the clear cache option and cache file is cleared. So this is how you can clear cache one by one of every app, and your Android phone's cache files will be deleted like this. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video helped you out, and we'll see you in the next video.